Yung iba, nilagay ko na doon. Di sana ako magbibideo. Pero ngayon, may video na tayo. So, ayan, meron tayong mop. Meron tayong cheese, vinegar, butter, yung ano natin dito, chicken nuggets, yung mga milk natin para sa laga ko, sa akin, sa lalaki natin. So may tubig din kami, tapos may Coca-Cola. Ang hirap mag-haul. Tapos meron tayong ayan, what do you call that, tortilla. Ayan, diba, mga pang diet yan. Tapos meron kami ano yan, corn flakes. Tapos may filter coffee, merong pagsamik, may tomato sauce, diba, mag-haul tayo, tomato sauce. Tapos merong bar, anong tawag dyan, nakakalimutan ko na, pill bar, tomato sauce na yan, mga tomato sauce yan. Ayan. Tapos yung rice is life. Ayan, yung mga rice, siguro wala yung dating mga rice na binibili namin. So yan, ayan, yung mga plastic itago natin mamaya. Ayan, diba, ang dami. Tapos may tuna, yogurt na tayo, ayusin natin para maano natin mamaya. Kunti lang ang supermarket namin ngayon, ang pinamili sa supermarket. Yun sa para sa floor. So dyan, ito sa para sa floor. Yung iba kasi dadalhin ko sa clinic. Ayan, diba? Tapos yung Coke hindi ko nalalagay doon. Tapos ito yung iba na kailangan ko. Ayan, mga fish, mga fish. Ayan, frozen yan. Ayan, kailangan ko rin yan. Tapos mga walang ham. So mga cheese, walang ham. Kailangan ko ng ham. Bakit walang ham? Okay, that's it. Okay, so yan mga kainday ko. Yung tubig, iwag na natin isama dyan. So yan, hanggang ano lang yan, Lunes, Martes, mga yan, ganyan. So lalagay ko na sa refrigerator. Huwag na kayong sumama. Okay. So yung mga kainday ko, hindi na ako kagad nakapag-video. Nakapaglinis na ako ng mga ano, at linagay ko cortina dito. Ayan, di ba inalis ko? Hindi na ako nakapag-video kahapon, pero naglinis na rin ako dito. So okay na siya. Tapos nalinis ko na rin yan. Yan. So yan, mamaya magluluto tayo ng spinach rice. Okay, ay maghuhugas din ako ng plato. See you later. So yan mga kainday ko, mag-start na tayo.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. hard or living my You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also wanna be where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, living with no shame. Waiting in the mirror, sleeping on Sundays. But I guess it's getting clear with us and it's okay. Think anyone can say I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. My own worst enemy. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's all done. There's so many differences in each of us. Just a gut, I can show you what's wrong with me. I just feel away, pushing on my chest and it squeezes till it's suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and having better days. I could walk, see, here, I should celebrate. Think I can change my mind, maybe elevate. It's a better day, it's all every day. And a better night, I believe in the better day. All I want, living life every day. It's a better day, not okay. All I want, and I pray. It's a better day, it's a better day. And I pray, I believe in the better day. I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Kasi kinakain din na to everyday. Kasi ito sumang sa kula, dyan na lang yung sa kula ganyan na Nilagay ko pala yung dito. Ayan, nilaban ko siya. Tingnan natin kung malinis. Ay, ayan na siya. Sadali kuha ko ng Ay, sinisipo. Tingnan natin kung nalinis. Doon ko sasampay. Mas maraming araw. Ayan. Diba? Nalinis ko na ang aking sapatos. Ayan. Okay nga siya. Ayan. Ito yung mga sapatos ko. Linilis ko na rin. So, doon ko ilalagay. Para mas may araw kasi dito. Okay. Ayan. Sana umaraw. Ayan. So, okay na yung sapatos sa atin. Kasi. Oh, mga kainday ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-update o nag-video. Ito na lang. So, ayan. Ito yung lunch ko. Kasi nagluto ako ng ayan, spinach rice. But, yung remaining na rice na lang ang linagay ko. Sana magustuhan nila. Tapos to, nagluto ako ng aking ayan, ito yung magiging lunch ko. Tapos, biglang uulan yata yung damit ko. Tapos, yung sapatos ko hindi pa natutuyo. Ayan. Basa, nababa. Ay, hindi. Tuyo na. So, bukas lagay natin ulit. Ito, medyo basa-basa pa. So, ayan. Mamaya sana, hindi umano. Ayan, mga kaitay ko. So, kakain na tayo. Bago makita ng alaga ko. Ayan, tapos naglaga ako ng itlog. Bukas, dadalhin ko yung, siguro 2 dadalhin ko. Ayan. Sa trabaho, magpa-part-time ako. Sa ngayon, kakain tayo ng sinag. Lagyan ko ng ham. Tsaka toyo. Ayan, sinag na. So, kakain na tayo. Ayan. So, ayan mga kainday ko. Kain na naman tayo. Ayan. Kasi maaga pa it's 1:30. Wala pa yung mga laga ko, so kakain tayo. Ito yun. Ayan. Para lang mabuo natin yung video. Ang dami ko mga ine-edit, hindi ko pa na ano. So yun. Ham. Hindi ko alam kung almusal na to o lunch. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung na-edit ko na yung ano, or napanood nyo na. Gumawa ako ng garlic na pinried na dinagyan ng butter. Hindi ko alam ang tawag doon. Kasi dahil nangalaga ako, baka magkita niya to. Kakainin. Ayan. So, tatapos ko itong aking pagkain. So, mamaya na tayo kiss. See you next video. Please like and share. At pakiano na rin yung bell para updated kayo sa mga latest video ko. Thank you. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye.
Seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossoms, go on pizza.